Paolo Avellino to make a shocking confession about Kim Chu. Fans eagerly anticipate the revelation. Speculations are running wild as Paolo Avellino hints at a major revelation involving the ever-popular Kim Chu. The actor, known for his enigmatic personality, recently teased fans during an interview, saying, "There's something I've been wanting to say about Kim for a long time." This statement left fans and netizens buzzing with excitement, wondering if the confession is about his personal feelings or a professional collaboration. Paolo and Kim have crossed paths on various occasions, and their undeniable chemistry has sparked rumors of a possible romantic connection. Fans can't help but speculate that Paolo might finally admit to having a soft spot for Kim. One fan commented, "Baka crush niya si Kim. Bagay naman sila, ang ganda ng energy nila together." Others believe the confession could be related to a new project. With both stars excelling in their craft, many are hoping for a big screen collaboration or a new teleserye that showcases their talents. If this is about a project, siguradong aabangan namin yan. Another fan wrote. While Paolo remains tight-lipped, Kim Chu has yet to comment on the matter. Known for her bubbly personality, Kim has always maintained a friendly and professional demeanor toward her colleagues, including Paolo. Fans are curious if she's aware of what Paolo plans to reveal. Social media has exploded with the auras and excitement, with hashtags like #PaoloKimConfession and #KimPaolo trending. Many are hopeful for a romantic twist, while others simply look forward to seeing more of their favorite stars together. Whether it's love, a new project, or something completely unexpected, Paolo Avellino's confession about Kim Chu is sure to create waves. Stay tuned as the truth unfolds. This is one revelation you won't want to miss.